How does social media affect our mental health? Social media keeps the world connected, but addiction of it is becoming a global problem which is ever increasing day by day. As we depend more on technology, social media and internet addictions continue to grow, with over 210 million people worldwide have been suffering in it. Teenagers who spend 5 hours a day on their smartphones are more likely to suffer moderate mental depression. Young, single female and people having narcissistic personality trait with low self-esteem are more likely to suffer addictive social media behavior. More than 70% of people go to bed with their mobile phones, causing sleep disorders. Social media interaction is like injecting dopamine straight into the brain's reward area. The reward area of the human brain is located in the mesencephalon, commonly called midbrain. The pathway of midbrain affects our sensations and decisions. When we take addictive substance and experience something rewarding, neurons in the main dopamine secreting area in the brain are actively charged, which causes to raise dopamine levels. Rewarding activities with positive reinforcement, which increase the level of dopamine, are the principal basis of the mechanism of addiction. A global agency named We Are Social has given a report on internet users. They disclosed the name of top 10 countries that spend maximum time on social media platforms. The countries are Philippines, Brazil, Mexico, Argentina, United Arab Emirates, Malaysia, Saudi Arabia, Thailand, Indonesia, and South Africa. Philippines, who is top on the table, has internet usage of 5.2 hours per day via desktop or laptop and 3.2 hours via smartphone. Social media has some benefits on mental health and on our interpersonal relationships. Social media users feel more bonded with like-minded people, which help them cope up with loneliness. They feel better when actively engaged, with increased trust and sense of belonging. Couples can keep themselves closer, and people can revive their lost friendships in it. Through Android phone health apps, people can keep their focus on good health-related issues. On the contrary, social media is detrimental for our mental health to a great extent. Most of the smartphone users experience addiction syndrome and emotional shutdown. They also suffer attention deficit syndrome in the long run, which adversely affects on their focus in the higher cognitive mental activities. Due to fear of missing out something, some people suffer in anxiety, which leads to major depressive disorder. Social media users cannot react properly to real-life situations. This media brings out jealousy, distracts people from others, make forget to show empathy to others. Browsing social media sites can cause insomnia, stress-related disorders, and bipolar mental depression. Eating disorders and obesity also result from social media addiction. In spite of some benefits to live in a digital world, our teenagers are facing some severe health risks. Adolescents and young adults are nowadays unable to develop social skills in their real life. Most of them are getting lost in a world of unrealistic comparisons. Royal Society for Public Health in United Kingdom made a survey on young population to know the effects of social media addiction regarding anxiety and mental depression. Their report said that Facebook, Twitter, Instagram all had adverse effects on mental health, while YouTube only had some positive impacts. Negative impacts on adolescent mental health due to internet addiction cause irritable mood syndrome, loss of mental energy, feeling of hopelessness and excessive guilt, psychomotor agitation along with sleep cycle disorder, recurrent suicidal thoughts due to feeling of worthlessness, difficulty in keeping attention and making decisions, social isolation, etc.